Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today, we will be going over the TORQX Random Orbital one-step scratch and swirl remover kit, 7 items. Let's get started. The TORQX Random Orbital one-step polisher kit delivers 7 different items that's going to allow you to diminish any scratches from moderate to heavy or even light scratches. So the TORQX is a random orbital that has a 680 watt motor in it, and it is also a dual action polisher. So whenever you turn on the machine, it spins in random orbits. Check that out. It is not a rotary, it's a dual action. The TORQX can also be used to apply glazes, sealants, and waxes. But in this occasion, this kit is going to allow you to diminish any scratches and swirls that comes your way using only one single product, which is VSS. VSS is going to diminish light to medium scratches and swirls that are sitting on any type of vehicle, whether it's white, black, orange, green, any color vehicle. This kit works perfect for you. Our next stop on this kit is going to be the pad conditioner. You always need to condition your pad whenever you're working on high speeds, especially whenever you're polishing. This is going to reduce the chances of marring or causing overheating on the paint. You never want to do that. And the pad today we'll be using is going to be the orange medium duty heavy cutting Hex-Logic Pad. This pad is a foam pad that is not too soft and not too rough, and it works amazing with VSS by itself. And finally, to wipe off the product, we have our monster edgeless microfiber towels that have amazing chemicalguys bandy around it, which will not scratch the surface of the vehicle, and it delivers 2 different types of piles, a long hair pile as well as a short pile. So now we will be walking over to the Volkswagen Tiguan that I have in the shop, and you guys can check out. This paint has scratches, swirls, and water spots. These water spots do not come off. I already tried spraying a quick detail spray and it does not come off. VSS also removes scratches and swirls as well as water spots or anything that might be stubborn on the surface of your paint. So now let me just get my TORQX prepped. I'll put it down on its back. I'll get my foam pad. I will center it directly on it. Now that it's already on it, I'm good to go. After this, I will shake up my product, which is VSS. Open up the spout. So now I'll be applying 5 dime size drops to my orange medium duty heavy cutting pad. Whenever applying the dime size drops, I always recommend applying a dot that is shorter, smaller than a hex. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now I just finished applying VSS to my foam pad. It's time to condition the pad. All I'll give it is 2 sprays. 1, 2, and I'm good to go to the surface of the paint. I'll put the cord over my shoulder. I'll blotch it out, just so I won't get any sling when applying it or turning on the machine. And then I already have tape down the middle of the hood, just so I can show you guys the before and after. So now I will be turning on the TORQX to speed setting 1 to spread out the product. Once the product has been spread all over the surface you're working on, we recommend bumping it up to speed setting 6. Just turn the low dial right here and turn it on, and you're gonna work this product in side to side, up and down until it turns clear or translucent. Then you'll buff it off using the monster edges. So now that I just finished polishing the area that I was working on, it's time to grab the Monster Extreme microfiber towel to buff off the residue and allow me to see what type of finish I'm getting. So I'll inspect my microfiber towel. Whenever you do come in contact with a tag, just simply rip it off. Tags can potentially cause scratches and swirl on the vehicle, and you do not want that. So fold it in 4s. You'll start at the top and just work your way down, side to side. All the suspended product is getting trapped in the microfiber towel and is not allowing it to go back on the surface of the vehicle. And just like that, I removed the scratches and swirls, the stubborn water spots. But keep this in mind, this is a great kit for a father, for a mother, for yourself, for your boyfriend, for a detailer, or even a professional. Anybody that details, it's a perfect gift. Or just pick it up yourself today on our website, chemicalguys.com. Comment down below on future video and see any of these products you saw today. You can also pick them up at your local detail garage, and we'll see you guys next time right here at the Chemical Guys Detail Garage.